Welcome back. Goa Institute of Management has come up with 3 years part-time executive MBA course designed for working professionals. GIM has designed a curriculum with a renewed focus on entrepreneurship. Aim is to provide the industry and society with skilled manpower developed in Goa. The course will be held on weekends at Ribandar campus.
Our part-time MBA program, which is the executive MBA program. Now this program is basically to serve the needs of Goa for working executives who are not able to leave their jobs and attend a full-time program. So this one is a weekend program which runs on Saturdays and Sundays. It's a 3-year program. The 2 years, the first year is a general management portion. The second year, the students actually choose electives based on their aspirations, based on the company's requirement where they are serving. So this particular program has truly contributed to the aspirations of the society and growth of both industry as well as government in Goa. Of course, our PGDM program, the main program which runs at Sankli, considered as one of the finest programs in the country, most of the students actually go and work outside Goa.
Tourism Department demolished 12 illegal structures encroaching the government property in Kolva on Friday. Government has decided for a project on Kolva Tourism Development Plan. This was the second phase of demolition. First phase was completed earlier. More illegal structures would be raised by the department in coming days. The demolition squad carried out the operation under strict police vigilance.
जेन्ना आमी पायलट प्रोजेक्ट हांगा सुरू करता ताका लागून जे इल्लीगल स्ट्रक्चर्स आसा ते डिमोलिश करपाची ऑर्डर आसा त्या प्रमाणे आयज आमी कारवाय करता आतां पर्यंत आमी 12 स्ट्रक्चर्स डिमोलिश केल्ले आसा आनी आजुनूय आसात थोडे ते डिमोलिश करपाचे उरल्या सो ही ड्रायव सेकंड फेजीक आसा फर्स्ट फेज आमी पयर कंप्लीट केलेली फाटी थोडे दीस पयलीं आज एक्चुअली वी हॅड प्लॅन्ड इट फ्रॉम 7 to 10 काही कारणास्तव ते जालें आयज आमी परत हें केल्लें आसा फाल्यांय आसा आनी अशें मुखाल्ले जे इल्लीगल स्ट्रक्चर जे कितें येतले प्रॉपर्टी ते डिमोलिश जायत वतले तीन मॅटरी आसा तितून कोर्टान केल्ले आसा दिस इज नथींग टू डू विथ CR दिस इज एक्चुअली एक्वायर्ड प्रॉपर्टी बाय डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इट वॉज इन द year 81-82 Kolva development there are in 2 phases we are doing it.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has come down heavily on corporation of the city of Panji for the way CCP is dealing with Panji municipality market. High Court has asked the CCP what were their watchdogs doing when encroachments were taking place in the market. The High Court has also observed that CCP cannot deny space for deserving traders.
A person namely Ravatappa Hansal has filed a petition before the High Court. He was doing his business near the stairs in Panji Municipal Market but was removed by the CCP officials saying that he has illegally occupied the space. Ravatappa Hansal has claimed in his petition that he used to have vegetable stall in Old Market and was promised to be allotted certain space in the present market. But CCP refused to allot space to him saying that there is no space available. Ravatappa Hansal also stated that he was removed from the place on the basis of encroachment and causing inconvenience to others. But within 2 hours of his removal, somebody else occupied that space. The High Court came down heavily against the CCP. The High Court observed that CCP should have identified illegal occupants and issued notices to them rather than issuing to all occupants. Court made following observations. If the occupants of the old market were promised spaces in the new market, then CCP cannot refuse to allot space to them. If the encroachments have taken place, then what CCP watchdogs were doing? CCP cannot remove anybody randomly as this is matter of livelihood of those people. CCP should have identified illegal occupants and issued notices to them rather than issuing to all occupants. The CCP has now stated that there is a vacant space available for the petitioner in the market and he can occupy it. However, petitioner Ravatappa claims that the space is not vacant. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Manipur BMSC are the winners of Nike's Manchester United Premier Cup under 15 years age group on Thursday at Dulai Stadium. Manipur BMSC clinched the cup through a penalty shootout against Mumbai Football Club by 5 goals to 4. Tournament witnessed a thrilling exhibition match between teams led by Baichung Bhutia and Sunil Chetri.
I've seen a number of players who is already belong to, some of the players that have gone on to India in different leagues level tournaments. And it's a right time for a lot of the youngsters to come and compete. It's a platform for each and every player to come and compete in different states, different clubs. And I hope each and every player does utilize that platform and go on.
It's great because hopefully a lot of you boys will play in the I-League. That is what you probably want. And maybe you also get a chance to play for the national team. Because we need good players for the future, and you guys are the future of Indian football. Come on,
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.